This week is a Patriotic paper chain. You're going to cut your strips on the dotted lines, and then you're going to take your first strip. You're going to use either glue or tape. I'm using tape because I don't have any glue. You're going to put it at the end of one piece of paper, and you're going to connect the ends so that they stay connected and make a circle. Then you're going to take another strip and you're going to put it inside the last link you made, and you're going to make another circle. And you're going to continue doing this until you are completely done with all of your links. And you can do any pattern you want. It doesn't have to be the same as mine with red and blue. You can do it any way you want. You can do all the red ones or all the ones with stars. And then when you're done, you will have your paper chain, and you can put it on display for 4th of July or for the rest of the summer, however you guys want to do it. But it will look something similar to mine. And here is your paper chain. Have fun!